Welcome to Chakri Views Precisely Premium. It's time for your 10th May weekly report packed with profit of 2,11,540 rupees. From NSE F&O to MCX Futures, trading smart, trading confidently and always aiming for maximum profits with minimum risk. No fear on volatility. Mini lots mean minimum risk and maximum potential, perfect for navigating today's market. With just 2,500 rupees, you can trade global segments. Use up to 500x leverage in NSE and MCX commodities. Choose from our superior subscription plans, NSE F&O for just 4,999 rupees, MCX for 7,777 rupees, or grab the ultimate combo for 9,999 rupees. Call and connect at 8778899819 now. Don't forget to follow us on social media. Your success is our mission. Trade smart. Earn big. Grow faster with Chakri Views.
Let's break down the weekly performance from 5th to 10th May 2025. We executed a total of 56 calls, spread across NSE F&O and MCX Futures, and booked a net profit of 2,11,540 rupees. Nifty gave us a solid 75% hit ratio, with 12,150 rupee net profit. Bank Nifty, although tricky, showed improvement, losses on buy, but 100% success in sell calls. In commodities, gold delivered with 63,600 rupees in net and silver faced volatility, but we still locked in 45,690 rupee profit. Copper remained tough with strict SLs kept the overall loss in control at just 8,625 rupees. COMEX gold and silver were the real stars, generating a combined profit of over 87,500 rupees with consistent strike rates. The performance for 5th May 2025, and what a power-packed day it was. Total profit of the day, 91,363 rupees locked and loaded with zero open positions. Gold rode strong. We booked a solid 30,400 rupees as it hit target 1 cleanly. COMEX gold and COMEX silver shined bright, delivering 19,642 rupees and 16,226 rupees respectively. Precision calls, executed to perfection. Silver did not disappoint, 27,600 rupees in the bag, all with tight SL management and spot on entry. Slight setback in Bank Nifty, with a 6,630 rupee dip, but we keep the risk contained and strategy tight. Meanwhile, Nifty gave us a tidy 4,125 rupee gain, another confirmed win. Today is 6th May 2025. And we stayed bold in the face of the market. While the market threw some sharp turns, we held our ground. Yes, today closed with a net loss of 74,850 rupees, but remember, losses are part of the game when you're in it for the long haul. Bank Nifty and Nifty trades delivered solid wins. But gold and silver saw some unexpected volatility. And yet, we move forward, with learnings in hand and eyes on the next big breakout. Stay tuned, stay sharp, and don't forget. We don't fear the red, we use it to find our edge. Complete trading breakdown for 7th May 2025. We navigated a packed day with high-energy moves across NSE F&O and MCX Futures, with a mix of sell and buy strategies in gold, silver, copper, and Bank Nifty. Big shout out to our winning calls, especially silver, COMEX gold, and COMEX silver, pulling in 15,372 rupees and 10,500 rupees on key trades. Yes, a few trades didn't go our way, resulting in a small net loss of 5,656 rupees, but that's just the heat of the market. Remember, champions aren't made on green days alone. They rise with smart recovery and relentless strategy. Let's break down the action-packed trading moves of 8th May 2025. Today was a power-packed profit day, with strong trades across MCX, COMEX, and index futures. Big wins from gold, silver, COMEX gold, and COMEX silver, with standout exits like 72,900 rupees from gold, 25,950 rupees from silver, 16,226 rupees from COMEX silver, 15,600 rupees from silver again. Even with a few minor hits, we absolutely smashed the session with a total net profit of 2,35,660 rupees. That's the Chakri views, precision entries, timely exits, and a strategy that delivers results. Let's recap the trades from 9th May 2025, a day that tested our discipline and strategy. Yes, we booked a net loss of 34,977 rupees, but that's part of the real trading journey. Losses are temporary when your system is strong, and we stick to the process. Profitable trades in COMEX gold and COMEX silver gave us some cushion, with 13,664 rupees and 4,270 rupees respectively. But copper and silver reversals hit our SLs, reminding us that risk management always comes first. What matters is consistency, control, and the confidence to bounce back stronger, and we're all set for the next session. Financial consultant advice before investing. This channel is only for educational and learning purposes. Admins have no responsibility for your intended decision and financial losses. Stock market investments are very risky, and being part of this group, you agree that you understand the market risks involved. Therefore, no legal action is valid. Thank you.